Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Absa Bank Chat Support. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using Absa Bank's online chat support service to get help with your banking queries. Firstly, to access the Absa Bank chat support, you need to visit the Absa Bank website and click on the Help or Contact Us section. From there, you will see an option to start a chat with a representative. Once you have initiated the chat, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and account number. This is to verify your identity and ensure that the representative can assist you with your query. After you have provided the required information, a representative will join the chat and ask how they can assist you. You can then type your query and the representative will respond with a solution or ask for more information if needed. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using the Absa Bank chat support include being clear and concise with your query, providing all relevant information, and being patient as the representative may need some time to investigate and respond to your query. For example, if you are having trouble with your online banking login, you can type something like "I am having trouble logging into my online banking account. Can you please assist me?" The representative will then ask for more information such as your account number and the error message you are receiving, and provide a solution to resolve the issue. Best practices for using the Absa Bank chat support include using a secure internet connection, keeping your account information confidential, and not sharing sensitive information such as your PIN or password. In conclusion, the Absa Bank chat support is a convenient and easy way to get help with your banking queries. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and keeping the key concepts and best practices in mind, you can quickly and easily resolve any issues you may have with your account.